This is a good class for those interested in engineering, and all grades are welcome, and it's really fun.
Students who take AutoCAD gain skills in mechanical and architectural drafting and design. We start off the school year doing board drawing with paper and pencil on drafting tables, learning how to draw two-dimensional mechanical parts, top view, front view, side view, and interpreting what those views look like. And then we transition into 3D isometric drawing and perspective drawing of mechanical parts. After about 4 to 6 weeks of doing board drawing, we transition to the computer lab where we learn AutoCAD software, computer-aided design and drafting, where students do the same thing, learning to draw two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. Once students learn the commands offered in AutoCAD, they'll begin learning from another program called Onshape. Onshape is a three-dimensional drafting program that's offered web-based. And sometime during the second semester, we transition to architectural drafting. We'll use AutoCAD Architecture and another program called Chief Architect, which is like a 3D architectural drafting program to draw the actual blueprints to a house, which are the drawings used for building structures such as garages and houses and other buildings.